For the quiz today, you're going to be factoring. So I wanted to run through some practice examples before you got started. For this first one, you're going to identify your common factor. So 2m plus n and 2m plus n. We're going to factor out your common factor. So 2m plus n will move to the front, and then you're left with what's left over. You always check to see if you can factor more. So m squared minus 9 is a difference of squares. So this is 2m plus n times m plus 3 times m minus 3. And the next one, you're factoring completely. So I have a sum of perfect cubes. So you take the cube root of the first term, the cube root of the second term, the cube root squared, the cube root squared, and in the middle you multiply the two cube roots together. And this is SOAP. So it's the same sign, opposite sign, always positive. And the last one, you look for the common factor, and you always factor out the smaller exponent. I'm going to divide this term by 1 plus m to the negative 3/2 power, and I'm going to divide this term by 1 plus m to the negative 3/2 power. When I do that, my 1 plus m to the negative 3/2 power moves to the front. I have 9m times 1 plus m, and when I divide these two powers, I have negative 1/2 minus negative 3/2. Well, this is negative 1/2 plus 3/2, so that's going to be 2 over 2, which is just 1, plus 3m squared times 1 plus m. Over here, I have negative 3/2 minus negative 3/2. So that's going to become 0. So this is 1 plus m to the negative 3/2 power times 9m times 1 plus m plus 3m squared, because this becomes 1. So if I distribute, this is 1 plus m to the negative 3/2 power times 9m plus 9m squared plus 3m squared. So I have 1 plus m to the negative 3/2 power times 9m plus 12m squared. These two have a 3m in common, so the 3m moves all the way to the front, and I have 1 plus m to the negative 3/2 power times, this will be 3 plus 4m, and then my negative exponent really wants to be on the bottom, so 3m times 3 plus 4m over 1 plus m to the negative 3/2 power. Hope this helps. Good luck on your quiz.